Hello everyone, I am Jayanthi trademark expert at India Filings. Today I am going to explain you about how to do a trademark search. First, we just need to visit the government portal, that is ipindiaonline.gov.in, where you will see three different options. One is wordmark, class and good description. What is wordmark? Wordmark is a brand name. Next option is class. You just need to select a particular class suitable for your business activity. If you have any queries regarding classes, you can just select the class details where you can find the suitable class for your business activity. Now we are going to search the brand names availability according to the pronunciation. You can see the search type option where you will find three options. One is wordmark, second Vina codification, third is phonetic. You just need to select the phonetic option. You can put your brand name, your class, and now you can search for the brand name similar as per your pronunciation. So that's all. If you have any other queries, you can visit on our website, that is indiafilings.com, and we are happy to help you. Thank you.